नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण क्लास 6 इंग्लिश यामधील 3.3 इको फ्रेंडली सेलिब्रेशन या पाठाचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर बघणार आहोत। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, गेस द मीनिंग ऑफ अमेझिंग, सेलिब्रेटेड, क्रॅकर्स आणि पेपर लॅटन्स। बघा आता या ठिकाणी फर्स्ट आहे अमेझिंग, याचा अर्थ आहे व्हेरी सरप्राइजिंग। नेक्स्ट आहे सेलिब्रेटेड, याचं मीनिंग आहे एन्जॉय अ स्पेशल इव्हेंट। नेक्स्ट आहे क्रॅकर्स, मीनिंग आहे स्मॉल फायरवर्क्स that explode with a loud noise. नेक्स्ट पेपर लॅन्टर्न, याचं मीनिंग आहे a lantern made of paper. Question number 2, list the important points from each paragraph of the letter. Paragraph 1, celebration of eco-friendly Ganesh Utsav in America. Paragraph 2, planning of eco-friendly Diwali without crackers and enjoying traditional snacks. Paragraph 3, preparation of paper lantern and making a model of Fort Raigad. Paragraph 4, invitation to cousin to come to India. Paragraph 5, celebration of Thanksgiving and Halloween in the US. Paragraph 6, regards and love. Question number 3, list the festival we celebrate any 5 and the important parts of their celebration. First आहे गणेश उत्सव। First, गणेश उत्सव, bringing of Ganesh idol at home, puja and aartis, preparation of Modak celebration continue for 5 or 10 days, Gauri puja, immersion of Ganesh idol in the lakes, rivers and sea, etc. Second, Holi, celebrated on Falgun Purnima, stand a silk cotton tree, arrange firewood and dry grass around it. At night, set fire to it. People worship fire and offer flowers and coconuts. The next day, people splash color and colored water on one another. Lots of fun and joy during this Rangapanchami. Question number 4, quiz the teacher. As shown on page number 40, you may add the following question to your quiz. बघा आता या ठिकाणी या प्रकारचं क्विज आहे, या प्रकारचे क्वेश्चन्स तुम्ही टीचरांना विचारू शकता। बघा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विचारू शकता, हाऊ डू वी से कंदील इन इंग्लिश। बघा या ठिकाणी फर्स्ट कॉर्नर मध्ये ब्ल्यू कलर मध्ये दिला आहे हाऊ डू वी से डॅश डॅश इन इंग्लिश, म्हणून या प्रकारचा क्वेश्चन आपण राईट डाऊन केला आहे, हाऊ डू वी से कंदील इन इंग्लिश। सेकंड क्वेश्चन विचारू शकता, हाऊ डू वी से दिवा इन इंग्लिश। Kandil means lantern and diva means lamp. Next question आहे, what is the difference between handsome and beautiful? We use handsome with boy and beautiful with girl. Next question आहे, what is the opposite of strong? What is the opposite of big? या प्रकारे आन्सर देऊ शकतो, the opposite of strong is weak and opposite of big is small. Question number 5, discuss the following. त्यातील A दिला आहे, which festival do we celebrate on large scale? मोठ्या प्रमाणावर आपण कोणते सण साजरे करतो? याचा आन्सर आहे या प्रकारे, we celebrate दिवाळी, गणेश उत्सव, होली, दशहरा and मकर संक्रांती on large scale. B question आहे, choose any one festival and decide which part of the festival are eco-friendly and which are not eco-friendly. आन्सर आहे या प्रकारे दिवाळी। इको फ्रेंडली पार्ट्स कोणते, तर ट्रॅडिशनल स्नॅक्स, अर्थन लॅम्प्स, ड्रॉइंग रंगोली विथ ऑर्गॅनिक कलर्स, wearing new clothes and worship and greeting. Not eco-friendly parts, use of crackers and fireworks, use of plastic bag, Lots of use of electricity for decoration. Next question आहे, What can we do to celebrate festival in an eco-friendly way? आन्सर आहे या प्रकारे. Create awareness, avoid use of plastic bag, use natural resources like food, water and electricity carefully, etc. Next question. Think of the modern festival and new ways of celebrating it. For example, a reading festival. How do we celebrate it in a new way? Arrange reading for fun and knowledge programs. Collect good books for reading. Read loudly poems, stories, travelogues, biographies, etc. or their parts before students or people. Stress on the importance of reading. Exhibit good and variety of books, magazine, etc. Encourage mobile library. In bracket, Diet Day Festival, Healthcare Festival, Clean Village Festival, Farmers Day Festival. Next question. Read the following sentences. First, we are going to make a beautiful paper lantern at home. Next, I am going to make a model of Fort Raigad. Next, note that the phrases we are going to, I am going to show the future plans. Next, complete the following sentences meaningfully. First, our teacher is going to retire soon. Next, my father is going to bring a car. Next, my grandmother is going to tell a story. Next question. Write a letter to your friend or cousin using the following format. Date 10 December 2020. Place Kolhapur. My dear Ramesh, hi, hello. Thanks for your letter. I received your letter. It was nice to know that you have won the inter-class cricket final. Please tell me about the exciting moments of the match. We are planning to visit an orphanage here. We are also going to give the orphans new clothes and sweets. You know my best friend Pritam and Vaidehi. They are going to join my computer class. When you come here, we will visit some interesting places in Kolhapur. How are Kaka and Kaki? Give my regards to them and love to Chotu and Babli. Your lovingly, Sandeep. अशा प्रकारे आज आपण इको फ्रेंडली सेलिब्रेशन या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय पाहिला. आजचा व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला ते नक्की कॉमेंट करून कळवा आणि व्हिडिओला लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका मित्रांनो. धन्यवाद.